Hello, welcome to class. In this video, we'll be looking at this simplification. We want to simplify this. In other words, we want to make it a single fraction. We want it to have a single denominator, one denominator. So we want to simplify it. You see, there are three different terms: this minus this plus this. So we want it to have a common denominator. So what we do first, just like the way we do normal fraction, 1 over 2 plus 3 over 5 minus 1 over 3. If you want to solve this thing, you know the first thing you do, you make it common denominator by finding the LCM of the denominators, right? So that's what we're going to do here. This is algebraic fractions. We find their LCM of the denominators. What's the LCM of xy, 2xy, and 2? LCM is like, what is the smallest number that all of them can divide? You go to the biggest one, this is the biggest, and the whole of this can divide this. So the LCM of this is 2xy. Okay? Good. Now, after that, we start the simplification. xy divided 2xy will remain 2 only, right? You use that to multiply these terms. So I have 2 bracket 3x minus y minus 2x divided 2x is 1. 1 times this, so is 1. 1 times 2x plus 3y plus 2 divided xy will remain xy. So xy times 1, xy times 1. So we simplify further. 2 times this bracket means multiplication, okay? 2 times 3x will give me 6x minus 2 times y, 2y, minus 1 times 2x is 2x, minus times minus times plus minus, okay? Then 1 times this is 3y. You understand it? Good. Plus xy times 1 is xy. So that's that for the numerator. So I have 2xy. Okay? So let's go further to simplify. We do what we call collection of like terms. That is, like terms should come together. This is x, this is x, so they can come together. There is no changing of sign because there is no equality sign to be crossed here. This is just like shift from me. So just collection of like terms. So we do, this is the same as 6x minus 2x minus 2y minus 3y plus xy all over 2xy. Okay, so this minus this 6x minus 2x. In other words, 6 oranges minus 2 oranges will give you what? 4 oranges. So I have 4x. Okay, minus 2 minus 3. You are owing somebody 2, you are owing another person 3. How many are you owing all together? You are owing 5 altogether. So it will be minus 5y. Then plus xy all over 2xy. So this is the simplification of because these are different terms. X is different from y, is different from xy. So they can't add themselves or subtract themselves. So you leave it like this. So this is the answer to this question. 4x minus 5y plus xy all over 2xy. That is the simplification of these algebraic fractions. Okay? Okay, so let's look at this question. Very simple. Simplify xx base 5 plus yy base 5 plus zz base 5 all over xyz. Alright, whenever you are doing some calculations or some simplification in base, number base, it's always good to make it to have a common denominator, a common base, and the common base is base 10. So let's change everything here to base 10. Remember how to change in base 10? If you're having challenge with that, you can visit my video on how to change to bases. So, but I will apply it here, you see it. So to change this to base 10, I'll do x base 5. I'll start from the back and count 0, 1. Plus this one, y base 5. Start from back, count 0, 1. Plus z base 5. Start from back, 0, 1. All over, leave this one, x plus y plus z. Okay, so we expand. This thing means x times 5, x times 5 raised to the power of 1 plus x times 5 raised to the power of 0 plus y times 5 raised to the power of 1 plus y times 5 raised to the power of 0 plus z times 5 raised to the power of 1 plus z times 5 raised to the power of 0 all over x plus y plus z. Is that understood? Now remember, one of the laws of indices says that any term raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So we'll apply it here, okay? Alright, so this is 5 raised to the power of 1 is 5. Any number raised to the power of 1 is itself. So now we have, this is the same thing as 5. So x times 5 will give me 5x plus 5 raised to the power of 0 is 1 by law of indices. So x times 1 is the same thing as x. Okay, let me be using the capital letter X for consistency's sake, okay? Plus 5 raised to the power of 1 is 5. 5 times y, 5y. Plus 5 raised to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times y, 1. Sorry, x, y. Plus 5 raised to the power of 1 is 5 times z is 5z. Plus 5 raised to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times z is z. All over x plus y plus z. So we simplify. 5x plus x will give me what? 6x. This is 6x plus 5y plus y will give me what? 6y. Plus 5z plus z will give me what? 6z. All over x plus y plus z. Okay, the next thing we do is we simplify. So if you look at this, you will see that there's a common factor here, which is 6. 6 is in all of them, so I'll factor out 6. Alright, so I'm going to have 6 into x plus y plus z all over x plus y plus z. So this and this, they are the same, so they can cancel out. So this can divide this, knock off. We are left with just 6. So the simplification of this expression here is equal to 6. Alright? So it's simple, just go through it, you understand it. So the answer is 6. Good. Alright, so continue to follow me for more questions and answers of this kind. Alright? See you in the next video. Bye.